It's my turn now to speak to the architect of all of this, which is really very exciting, Jim Lohmeyer. Jim, welcome to Enid. Thanks for being here. Just kind of share with us, I see a lot of resemblance of old. It looks kind of new, and I know that was the whole goal, right?
It really was. We really tried to incorporate some elements of the traditional and the older downtown fabric of Enid, and incorporate a little bit of modern with our corner, our glass corner. Of course, the Crest building is no longer there, but we took some elements of the Crest building and we incorporated it to the main front entry and also on the side, and tried to break up this facade into ins and outs to give it some texture and feeling, and to make it feel like it's, you know, an original downtown type project. And so the scale of it is very important. Materials are important, but I think overall we tried to blend into your downtown area and make it a vibrant part of your community down here.
Well, in my opinion, you've done a great job. Thank you very much for your work. To listen to the citizens of Enid and to incorporate all that you've shared, we certainly appreciate that.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you.